Okay, so new project. This filthy old chandelier piece I found at a yard sale. It's supposed to be hardwired. I paid $3 for it. So now we're going to see what we can do with this. So I guess I'm going to start by cleaning, and I'll show you what I come up with. This is the finished piece. I went with the flameless LED candles. I have one of them turned on so you can see. I just stripped all the wiring out of it. Bought the LED candles and spray painted it with antique pewter. Yeah, not bad for $3. Not bad at all.